Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, good afternoon.
Today, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Milha and my partner is.
My name is Risna.
So for today, we're going to show you a fun and simple experiment. It tells how and why an egg can fly, sing, and float in the water. Okay, before we start, I will tell you the material and ingredients. 3 cups, 1 cup of salt, 3 chicken eggs, 1 spoon, and 1,500 water. Okay, the first step will be explained by Risna.
Okay everyone, the first step is pour the water into the first cup. And put an egg into it. Look carefully, the egg sinks to the bottom because it's heavier than the water.
Okay, for the second cup, pour some water and then add a little salt. Okay, and stir until it dissolves.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, and then put the egg into. Yay! Okay. Look, the egg is flying in the middle, not sinking and not floating, just in between. Amazing, right?
Right. Okay, the third step is pour again the water into the third cup. Okay, and add more salt for this time.
Okay. Like a 5 spoon of salt. Yeah, 5.
And stir it again. And put an egg inside. Look, the egg is floats on the top.
Okay.
It's cool, right?
Yes, very cool. Okay, now let's explain why this happened. Okay. The reason is because of density or massagenes in Indonesia. In plain water, the egg sink because its density is higher than the water, or the egg is heavier than the water.
But when we add the salt, the water is heavier or denser. If we add a little salt, the density is same with the egg, and it can make the egg in the middle of the water. If we add a lot of the salt, the density is higher than the egg, and it can make the egg as floats on the top. And so it happens because the water's density can take the egg.
Okay, everyone. That's all for our experiment for today. Thank
you for your attention. See you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.